Market Big, Astor Field of 7. It's the Saturday afternoon at historic Charlottetown. Post time. There they go. They're off and facing Forever Paradise leaves today. Up the rail, that's Perfect Escape second, coming from the outside. Market Big towards the rail, the Big Bite. Into the turn, fifth is Cambest Kisser. Astor on the outside, sixth. And the trailer, that's Mocking the Sand. So the quarter pole down, Forever Paradise on top. From the outside, Market Big might be in trouble today. He's second, but on the outside. Perfect Escape at the rail, third. Racing from fourth. That's the Big Bite. Fifth at the rail, Astor. Opening quarter, it's going to be good. And it is 28 and a fifth to open it up here. So Chapel, he fired up Forever Paradise today on the choo-choo. Second at the rail, Market Big from the outside. That's the Big Bite underway, third. Facing fourth at the rail, Perfect Escape on the outside. Second over fifth is Astor. Cambest Kisser is sixth. And playing catch-up, that's Mocking the Sand. A gap out seventh. They're halfway home. Forever Paradise, the midway point leader. Wow, there's a big opening half mile on this day. 57-4. Cutthroat opening half. Forever Paradise on top. Market Big at the rail, second. The Big Bite hangs on the outside, third. Perfect Escape, fourth up the rail. Astor with a decision to make, fifth on the outside. There he goes, three high. Facing from six. That's Cambest Kisser. Mocking the Sand. Still a gap down trailer. The three quarters in one. 27 and 3. 29 and 4 in the third. Market Big now coming on to challenge Forever Paradise. Racing third at the rail. Perfect Escape. The Big Bite back to fourth. Astor fifth. Down the stretch they come. Market Big gonna be Maritime undefeated. 5 starts, 5 winners. Campbell gets him there. Forever Paradise hanging on to the deuce. Tight for third, but it's Market Big in 158 flat.